When performing characterization of steel phases, optical image data can pose challenges due to sample preparation and imaging variation. In the past, this analysis would be done manually, using a technique like point counting. This manual process was extremely time-consuming and has reduced statistical power when compared to modern automated techniques. As we apply a recipe, we see that MIPAR can quickly and accurately detect the phases and output the phase fraction measurement. As we can see, every point in the image has been classified and measured. No need for point counting. It is just as easy to output a Word document report. All these capabilities, detection, sensitivity adjustment, and report generation, are also valuable when processing batches of images.